There's a world that swims and shines. Come and meet a family of 7 tonight. I swim with the fish, I laugh with the sea. Every wave feels just right to me. Shells go clean and bubbles rise. Magic lives before my eyes. One sister twirls with a coral crown. One sings songs as she swims around. One paints stars in the ocean dark. One races dolphins fast and smart. One tells stories soft and slow. One makes pearls with a gentle glow. And 7 sisters swim together.